At some point in bonsai, you're going to deal with a large branch, and there's a lot of techniques I've learned on as far as bending these branches, but one in particular really changed the way I approach a tree. It's a nice way to bend a large branch without having to use real thick wire. You can see in this example right here, I've got about a 5mm wire on there. It's enough to bend the branch. For something this large that takes a lot more effort, you can do another technique using guy wires, which I'll show right now. With this, I usually use either a 1.5 or a 2mm wire. That's all you really need to do it. And all you're going to do is you're going to find something to secure it. It's stronger than the branch you're looking to bend. I usually use a large root and simply just loop underneath of it. Once you get it fished out, you've got your two ends. Take this other end, go over the branch. Usually find either a crook in the middle of the branch or some sort of V, so that it stops the branch from, or stops the wire from sliding. I usually also put a little piece of either rubber or some sort of gasket in there to protect the cambium, because there's a lot of pressure on this one point. In addition, if you'd like, you can also use thicker wire and then loop this off the wire itself to spread the string. And then all you do is you simply take the two ends, do a couple twists, take a little bit of pressure off the branch, or bring the branch down a little bit, but do a little bit of bending. Now you want this where it joins either in the top third or the bottom third, not in the middle. And just do a few simple twists and then cut off the excess. Bend that upwards just to get it out of the way. Now you can use a chopstick, you can use a screwdriver. I usually use a 5mm piece of wire, small little chunk, and you're just going to simply put it in the middle and twist. And keep turning. Now keep in mind, you don't want to put this too close to the trunk or you won't be able to bend it. You don't want to put it too far up, because otherwise it'll make it just a slow curve, which looks really unnatural. I'm going to put it somewhere in the middle. Now, the nice thing about it, you'll see this branch slowly moving, which is nice, which means you can control every millimeter of bend in this trunk without too much effort. When you get it to where you want, or there's enough pressure on that branch, stop. You can always come back later on, tighten this up a little bit more. In the meantime, you can either remove this for twisting or just simply leave it in there and make adjustments as you go along. Hope that helps.